back. Almost there. How's it going? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please hit subscribe. There goes some love and support on this channel. So today I decided to just start trying to make foam painting. So I started yesterday, the other day, because I was just trying to do it myself before I even start making a video about it. So this is this. I put some more you have to add some shaving cream, Barbasol, this one right here. Put the light on so you can see it. Ooh. Some glue. I need some more glue. And you can add paint inside, but it's a recipe to make your own type of paint, but with foam. Make foam paint. Use food coloring. Whatever type of food coloring you may have. I just have these. And also sometimes in some videos, some people they add flour. So I have this right here. I'm gonna use some of these to make some different colors as well. So I'm gonna try my best to do this DIY video. When I first tried it, I didn't have much of shaving cream, but it wasn't that bad. It was like a very, very light pink color. So you just mix it. That's what I just do. So I have some of these construction paper. Do foam painting with these construction papers. So I have these. I'm just scraping the other parts of it. I'll just try. Okay. See the instructions on the back of it? Pick gel base foam paint. There's a piece. Squeeze to make. Okay. So I just open it or something, or it comes out like that? Because I'm kind of confused. Oh, you open it. Okay. Don't make too much of that. Okay, so that's a little bit. So, gonna mix this. OMG. Just scraping it around it. Oh my god, just look at this. Wow. I am back. I'm done with this. Oh my god, look how pink it is. Oh my god, I'm excited right now. Oh my god, I can't wait to do a next color. I want to do, I want to mix some colors. I want to make some purple, maybe some blue. Oh my gosh, some blue to make some purple. Ooh. Since I already showed you guys this one, oh my god, I'm excited. When I use this little red, oh my god, I want more of these. Oh my god, this is making me excited. DIY, how to make your own foam paints. I made a pink one. I made it last night, but since I have these new products I just got today, I had to redo it, and the color is so amazing. Oh my gosh, this is exciting. I love art. I love making stuff. So I'm gonna start a new one in here, this container. You have these plastics, but I'm gonna try to use this one. It's smaller. I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna try to mix red and blue to make purple. Okay, guys. So the first thing I'm gonna use is glue. So I'm gonna open that first. Okay. And just give it a little bit. I want to waste it because I only have a little bit. So I'm gonna smear that around. I don't want too much. This is what you're gonna do. Okay, not too much because I got a little bit left and I want to waste it and get some more. I believe I have some clear glue. Here it is. This is the clear glue pen which I got right here. I think so far I've used this to make the magic wand from the wizard, like Harry Potter. I made my own, but it's purple, blue, black around it. I was trying to go for the galaxy one. So you're gonna take this off because it has this to stop the glue from coming out. and it's inside. So I just gotta take that out. Ooh, take this out, put it down, put this back on, because I don't want to like waste it. So I add some clear glue, just drop some in there, just a little bit. Some clear glue, and that's, oh, I don't want to waste it. Next, I'm gonna use this one that I just got. I wish I had more. So just in case, cause I'm having fun with this, and just like use all that, almost like whipped cream, like yeah. Oh my, oops, almost like came out. Oof, don't want that. I think that's enough. Okay, so I'm gonna cover that back up. This is what I have right here. So you can see if you want to get this, and squeeze it. Just gonna move it there. Okay, so I can mix them together. It looks like a cloud, like ooh, like a jelly, like a jiggling cloud, like hey. Okay, why am I so weird? What? DIY. Oh god, I'm having fun. So I got two just in case, using plastic. Plastic fork, plastic spoon, or sporks. You can use these. So I don't want to ruin the silver spoons or stuff. So I'm just gonna mix that. Okay, mix these together. Mix. So I almost forgot you could add some flour just in case to make it more puffy, I guess. Okay, so I'm done. I just gotta wait for it to dry, but look, oh my gosh, look at that. Wow. Oh my gosh, look. I added like little hearts in the corner. I tried my best, but this is my artwork. Hey, foam paints DIY. You can make your own, whatever you want. Flowers, hearts, doesn't matter. It can be even abstract art. Like I just randomly did over here for no reason. Like abstract art for no reason. But anyway, hope you liked the video. Give it a big thumbs up. You want to try this at home with your kids or by yourself, doesn't matter. You know, yes, I'm gonna save these. I'm gonna save the blue and the pink. I tried to make a purple, but I failed, so yeah. Maybe if I mix these two together, it can make purple. I don't know, let's see. Anyway, bye guys. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Links down below, alright? Please like the video, give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, this DIY video. Until next time, bye, my beautiful people. Follow me on Instagram. I gotta wash my hands. So next, I'm gonna have Star make her own for her channel and for her teacher, but mostly just for her, like, have fun. Bye. Become part of the Rainbow Fam, my unicorn Rainbow Fam. Alright guys, show love and support. Link down below for more videos. Subscribe, hit the bell, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Links are down below. What are you waiting for? Hit subscribe. Rainbow Fam. Till next time, bye.